Look around, things don't scatter. Yeah, Naija dey hustle. Came into the year we were hopeful. We been the hopes that things go turn around better. All of my guys say this year they must make 'em. As you can see, things around us don't scatter. Yeah, we be think say Naija na number one. Say if we call God, better go come along. So I let nothing come between me and Jehovah. Yes, things spoil but me and you go overtake 'em. Yeah, nah yeah. Nah yeah. This nah yeah. Break my composure. Nah yeah. Nah yeah. This nah yeah. Hope Naija go better. The economy bad in me city yo. We steady working but they say the youth are lazy yo. Nigerian style we get the story yo. Just this year we still dey fight 70 million yo. Only this year plenty killings take over just then he enters Zamfara. That's explosion for families asunder. Make you ask the band himself get story. Hey, many people die I know. The people die I know. This fit to change I pray. We fit to change I pray. Hey, many people die I know. The people die I know. This fit to change I pray. We fit to change I pray. Hey, nah yeah. Nah yeah. This nah yeah. Break my composure. Hey, nah yeah. Nah yeah. This nah yeah. Hope Naija go better. Killings all around us, just look around. Bombing day and night now, they blow my mind. Scared people around me, we need to change our lives. Things go turn better if we all go try. What would I do without you, my brother? You need to give up to anybody. You where they should gonna beg, have mercy. Ready for peace, yes brother, get ready. I wanna see peace in Naija. It's all that but be sure God will show us the light. One word they say is enough for the wise. Naija for me, Naija not for you. Hey. We go see peace for Naija. Nah yeah. Nah yeah. This nah yeah. Break my composure. Hey. Nah yeah. Nah yeah. This nah yeah.